So hello everyone, today we will practice the most important questions that can be asked from the chapter fundamentals from the book Fundamentals of Physical Geography and the chapter number 1 NCERT Geography as a Discipline. These questions can be asked in the interview process of KVS and NVS. So let's get started with question number 1. So the question number first is, how do you define geography beyond just description of the earth? So you can answer like this. The geography is the study of areal differentiation. It is the scientific study of the earth as the abode of humans, focusing on the variations in phenomena over the earth's surface and the causal relationships between them. So the next question is, why is geography called an integrating discipline? So it is an integrating discipline because it synthesizes information from natural sciences like geology, meteorology and social sciences like history and economics. For example, to study a region's agriculture, we integrate soil science with market access like or natural with social sciences. So next question, how does geography related to time? So geography is the study of space, but space is dynamic. Every geographical feature undergoes change over time. Thus, geography has a strong temporal dimension, much like history, but focused on spatial changes. So, the next question, explain the man-nature relationship in the context of modern geography. So, it is a symbiotic relationship. Nature provides the stage or possibilities and humans act upon it using technology. This is described through the concepts like environmental determinism and possibilism. So the next question, what is the difference between systematic and regional geography? So systematic geography, introduced by Alexander von Humboldt, studies a specific phenomenon like climate globally, and regional geography proposed by Carl Ritter studies all phenomena of a specific area as a single unit. So the next question, question number 6, how does technology like GIS and remote sensing enhance geographical studies? So these are spatial information technologies. They allow us to capture, store and analyze vast data layers simultaneously. For example, using satellite imagery to monitor real-time deforestation or flood mapping. So the next question, question number 7, can you explain the spatial synthesis nature of geography? So geography reconciles the how and where. It doesn't just look at an event. It looks at its location and the impact of the location on the event. For example, why are iron and steel industries located near coal fields? These are spatial logic. So the next question, question number 8, is geography a natural science or social science? So it is a bridge between the both. Its methods are scientific like physical geography, but its core purpose is to understand the human environment or human geography. So next question, question number 9, what do you mean by the term areal differentiation? So it refers to the study of the unique characteristics of different parts of the earth's surface. No two places are exactly alike in terms of climate, soil or culture. Geography explains why they differ. So the next question, question number 10, how does geography contribute to sustainable development? So by analyzing resource distribution and carrying capacity. For example, studying the water table in the drought prone area helps in planning cropping pattern that save water for the future generations. So the next question, why is the study of physical geography essential for a human geographer? Because the physical environment like landform, climate, water that provides the base upon which the human activities are built. You cannot understand human settlements without understanding the topography. So the next question, define the ideographic versus nomothetic approach. So ideographic approach focuses on the description of unique regions or regional approach, while the nomothetic focuses on the formulating general laws and theories or systematic approach. So the next question, how is geography related to economics? So economics deal with production and consumption, but geography explains the location of these activities. For example, the choice of a factory location depends on the geographical factors like raw material and transport. Next question, question number 14, what is the role of map making or cartography in geography? So cartography is the primary tool of a geographer. It transforms 3D spatial data into 2D visual format for analysis and planning. Next question, question number 15, how does geography explain human environment interaction through technology? So technology is the tool through which humans loosen the shackles of nature. For example, building air-conditioned houses in deserts or greenhouses in cold climates. Next question, question number 16, what is biogeography and its relevance today? So biogeography is the study of distribution of plants and animals. It is crucial today for addressing biodiversity loss and climate change impacts on ecosystems. Question number 17, how does history influence the geography of a place? So historical processes determine the current geographical landscape. For example, the layout of a colonial city like Kolkata reflects historical trade routes and British urban planning. Question number 18, what is the difference between physical and cultural landscapes? So a physical landscape is made of natural features like mountains, rivers, and a cultural landscape is the imprint of human activity on the natural landscapes like cities, farms, and roads. Question number 19, geography is described as the study of earth as a home of man. Justify this. So that means the geography is not just about rocks and air. It is about how these elements create a habitable environment for human civilization to flourish. Question number 20, and this is the last question for today. Why should a student study geography in 21st century? So to become a global citizen who understands global warming, resource scarcity, and disaster management. It provides the spatial perspective needed to solve global crisis. So this is for today. Keep listening for further audio classes. Thank you.